Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Furrion camera system for your RV. The Furrion Vision S wireless RV backup camera system with a 5-inch monitor and rear shark fin camera. If you're an RV enthusiast looking to enhance your driving safety and security, this system is designed to make your life on the road easier and more secure. First, let's talk about installation. One of the standout features of the Vision S system is how quick and easy it is to install. Most modern RVs are already prepped for this system, which means you can skip the hassle of extensive drilling. Even if your RV isn't prepped, the installation process remains straightforward, making it a great option for both seasoned installers and those new to tech upgrades. Now, the heart of any backup camera system is the camera itself, and the Vision S delivers with a high-resolution 720 by 480 camera that offers a wide-angle view of 180 degrees. This ensures you get a broad perspective behind your vehicle, helping to eliminate blind spots. The camera is built with IP65 waterproof technology, meaning it can withstand rain and dust, so you don't have to worry about weather conditions affecting your safety. Nighttime driving is also safer thanks to the infrared night vision feature that lets you see clearly even in low-light environments. Wireless connectivity is crucial for any modern RV camera system, and Furrion has made sure this system provides a strong, stable digital connection. The Vision S system uses a 2.4 GHz wireless signal that locks digitally to your camera, reducing interference and ensuring a lag-free live feed. It's tested to work reliably up to 100 feet at high speeds and can reach an extended range of nearly 500 feet in open spaces. This means whether you're maneuvering tight campsites or cruising down the highway, you have consistent, real-time visuals on your monitor. Speaking of the monitor, the Vision S includes a 5-inch anti-glare LCD touchscreen display. This screen offers clear images and features park assist marker lines to help you back into spots with precision. The monitor's mounting options give you flexibility. You can use the included windshield mount or place it on a tabletop or nightstand, so you have the best viewing angle that suits your needs. Beyond just backing up, the Vision S doubles as a security system. It comes equipped with motion detection and an auto-wake function, so if anything moves around your RV while parked, the monitor will light up to alert you. Plus, the built-in microphone allows you to hear backup instructions from a helper or listen for any suspicious sounds nearby, adding an extra layer of safety. The camera itself mounts on the back of your RV in the form of a shark fin camera that also functions as a rear marker light, seamlessly integrating into your vehicle's design. This integration not only looks sleek but also helps maintain the safety features required for your RV's lighting. To sum it up, the Furrion Vision S wireless RV backup camera system with a 5-inch monitor is a comprehensive solution designed specifically for RV owners who want an easy-to-install, reliable, and multi-functional camera system. Its combination of high-resolution camera quality, wireless stability, night vision, and security features makes it one of the top choices in its class. If you're serious about safety, security, and convenience on the road, the Vision S system deserves serious consideration. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, be sure to subscribe for more in-depth product insights. Safe travels and see you next time.